A rice pin. The second circle is for plus pin. A pinhook to short needles stitch. Labeled fastener. Stitch again on the same day. A short needle. That's the first needle. The second stitch also hook to short stitches. The third order of needles. 去 short needles. The fourth ladder. 去 short needles. This circle is 8 short pins. Remove marker buckle. Draw at this point in the marking button. Hook another pin. Leave the wire tight. Snip line. Line. Behind. Can put this line. Get it over here. Wait a minute. Use to sew the main body. Leave a line behind one side. One line on each side. This is the mouth. Flatten it a little bit. Mouth fixed on. Right in the middle where the two colors meet. Right in the middle of two fins. Yes, the destination location. Count from here. This side is also half-eye. We can find a spot around here. Knot. Thread the thread through. Pull up. This side. Line. Thread the needle into the same. Dynamic. 太阳拿铁 Beat to more. And then rub the thread in. Just pick a hole. Come through first. Cut the thread again. The eyes are just above the boundary line. Three laps. Between 2 and 3 laps. Right in the middle of the mouth. Count the positions of 3 stitches to each side. Now find this location. Rubber tape. Heating strip. Heat.